Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to look at an advanced trading tool that takes trend prediction to the next level. And that tool that we are going to be analyzing is the Volume SuperTrend AI. Okay, it's the Volume SuperTrend AI indicator. So this isn't your regular SuperTrend indicator, all right? It combines volume weighted moving averages with AI powered analysis using the K nearest neighbors. Okay, the K nearest neighbors algorithm in order to give it more precise and reliable trend signals. So if you are looking for smarter volume backed trade signals and a dynamic trailing stop system, then this indicator is for you. All right, stick around as we break down exactly how this indicator works and how to use it to enhance your trading strategy. But before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our trading content. Okay, let us get into it. Now, the Volume SuperTrend AI is an upgraded version of the classic SuperTrend indicator, right? While the traditional SuperTrend uses average true range calculations to determine trends, this advanced version integrates trading volume and AI techniques for even better accuracy. So here's what makes it different. Yeah, it uses volume weighted moving averages to ensure that trends are backed by actual market activity and not just price movements. And it incorporates the KNN algorithm. KNN stands for K nearest neighbors. Okay, so the KNN algorithm is an AI based learning that helps refine trend signals by analyzing past market conditions. Okay, and it helps this indicator also helps provide more stable and reliable trends. Okay, trends that align with strong trading volume. All right, with strong trading volume, and they tend to be more accurate. Okay, so this indicator doesn't just follow price, it adapts to market changes using both price and volume dynamics for more precise signals. So have you used the Volume SuperTrend AI before? Let me know in the comments. Now that you know what the Volume SuperTrend is, let us just go over how to interpret its signals on the chart real quick. So basically, when you find the green line below price, yeah, let's just go a bit back. Let's go a bit back. When you find the green line below price, it signals a bullish trend. All right, signals an uptrend, meaning that buying pressure is strong. Okay, so when you notice the green line, you can consider entering a buy trade. Once you get your confirmation, probably around here, after getting this buy signal, and then our stop loss can be just below the previous swing low. Yeah, below the previous swing low can be for our stop loss, and then for our take profit, we can actually consider for our take profit, we can consider using resistance zones, nearest resistance zones, or we can decide to wait for the indicator to turn red. Okay, but also pay attention to risk to reward ratio. All right, pay attention to risk to reward ratio. All right, so pay attention to risk to reward ratio. If you are entering a buy position, say around here, perhaps I said you can be targeting your stop loss can be below the previous swing low, right? So if you're targeting the previous swing low for your stop loss, I'm going to recommend a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Okay, yeah, so minimum. All right, so you can see here we're having a risk to reward ratio of 2. So if you, it means if you're risking about 10 pips, you're aiming to make at least 20 pips, right? So even if we are to set our take profit around here, it's still going to be a good one because we are already making times 2 of what we are risking. But if you get, a sign that the trend is likely to continue, then you can just trail your stop loss and allow the trend to go on. Okay, so that is for a buy move, right? Then for a sell move, when you notice a red line above the price, when you have a red line above the price, it signals bearish momentum. Okay, shows that there is a downtrend and that sellers are in control. All right, so you can enter a sell trade after you get your confirmation. Enter a sell trade. Your stop loss can be above the previous swing high, and then your take profit can be at support levels, aiming for a risk to reward of 1 to 2. So here we're having about 1.8. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we're still having somewhere around 1 to 2. Okay, so even if you have maybe something really close, just to be on the safer side, you shouldn't just put your take profit at the tip of a support. More preferably before the support is fine. Okay, but let's see. Yeah, we actually had a level around here because we had a rejection around here, right? You can see. So I think this place should be okay, we can see we had rejection. So that's actually a valid point. Yeah, you can see that price actually got very close to that. Okay, so basically what I'm talking about is use good risk to reward ratios even when you are entering your trade. Okay, use good risk to reward ratios. And then this indicator can also serve as dynamic trailing stop loss. One of the best features of Volume SuperTrend AI is that it adjusts with both price and volume. All right, instead of using a fixed stop loss, this indicator can create a dynamic stop that moves as the trend develops. Because if you continue to have a sell trend, let's say the trend continues to grow stronger and stronger, whenever price just gets towards the red line and continues coming downward, you can just adjust your stop loss towards that level. Let's see if we can find such an example. Okay, here we had a series of lower highs and lower lows, right? It was not exactly touching the indicator, but it was getting close to it, and then come back down and all. Although this was a very gentle slope, right? So you can just be adjusting your stop loss as the trend continues if you want to use the indicator for adjusting your stop loss. Okay, so by combining volume analysis and AI learning, this tool provides a more reliable trade signal compared to traditional indicators. Okay, but a pro tip for you: use Volume SuperTrend AI along with support and resistance levels and other indicators like RSI or MACD to confirm your entries. Now, most traders focus only on price movements, but volume plays a crucial role in trend, strength, and stability. Here's why. Because higher volume equal to stronger trends. When an uptrend or downtrend is backed by high volume, it's more likely to continue. And low volume is equal to weak or false trends. A trend without strong volume may fail or reverse suddenly. All right, so that is the reason why it's important to also pay attention to volume. Now, the Volume SuperTrend AI adjusts dynamically. Since this indicator considers volume, it filters out weak signals and focuses on trends with real momentum. So this is why the Volume SuperTrend AI is more effective than traditional SuperTrend indicators. It reacts to actual market conditions rather than just price fluctuations. Okay, so do you use volume in your trading strategy? Let me know in the comments. All right, now let's just go by go step by step, a very quick recap on how to use the Volume SuperTrend AI indicator. For your buy setup, you just wait for a green line to appear. For your buy setup, you wait for a green line to appear below the price. Okay, confirm that volume is increasing to support the trend, and then you enter a long position above the recent price. You enter a position once you've confirmed your buy move, all right, and then you can use the trailing stop feature, or you just set your stop loss and take profit levels and let your trade run. Then for a sell setup, which is a bearish trend, wait for the red line to appear above the price, confirm that selling volume is increasing to support the downtrend, all right, and then enter a short position. Once you enter a position, you can use a dynamic stop loss, or you can just decide to fix your stop loss and take profit levels, whichever one you prefer. So this approach helps traders to stay in strong trends while avoiding weak or false breakouts. Always combine Volume SuperTrend AI with market structure, okay? Irrespective of the indicator you are using, market structure is necessary, okay? Pay attention to key levels as well, and you can add other indicators for additional confirmation for the best results. So that is everything you need to know about Volume SuperTrend AI. By combining AI learning, volume analysis, and dynamic stop loss adjustments, this indicator offers a smarter way to identify trends and trade with confidence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another powerful trading tutorial. Have questions or want to see this indicator in action? Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.